See if this is see if this works real quick. Give me 1 second here. Actually, wait, I could probably just check it on my computer. All right. How's this looking? How is this? It's not looking or sounding like anything. Why is this doing this? 1 second. I'm trying to. All right, boom. There you go. There you go. All right, sorry for the fucking chewing. That was annoying. But everything looks pretty good. Just give me 1 second here. I wonder if I move that. How does that look? A little more centered now. Let me get rid of this gum. It's super annoying. And okay, so basically, what I want to do is look at the coins that have been doing well while everything else has been crashing. And there are a few. What does this look like right here? It's Coin Gecko. And then we have Coin Market Cap right here. Okay, boom. So okay, so we got these two um, crypto top gainers and losers, and what we could do is go through them and then look at the charts and see what they look like. So we'll start off with this one right here. Okay, cool. So story protocol up in the last 24 hours, 38%. Um, let me not do. Oh wow, Tau is up 16%. Let me go to the 7-day because I think the 7-day is going to be more accurate, or at least more. What the heck? Hold on a second. All of a sudden, I can't hear myself speaking any. Oh, never mind. All right, I've accidentally muted. But now we should be good. Okay, so the last 7 days, we have Sonic or previously FTM. So it's S. So let's see. It's available on wow, all of these different exchanges actually. So we have S. Let's check it out. So this is S. So obviously this is something. It's up drastically since the 8th. Yeah, it's the 19th right now. So, yeah, this is definitely a coin I wanna be looking at. Let me see. What if I just type in S, what happens? Or maybe if I type in Sonic? Sonic USDT spot. What if I type in Sonic USDT dot P? Okay, so this is what the heck? So this chart looks a lot different than the chart than this one, right? Like this is on the 6th, 1/6. What was it on January 6th? But on this chart, it was on January 6th. It doesn't even go back to January 6th. What about Spot? It launched January 7th. Okay, but I still don't understand what February 3rd is when it go back. February 3rd is right here. And that's when it supposedly bottomed. That's when it bottomed was the 3rd. Okay, so pretty much okay, I get it. So it's like since the 3rd, it's been doing okay since the 3rd. And that's this right here. And it sort of looks like I mean this could potentially be an accumulation phase. So I would think that something is happening with FTM or Sonic. I would say it's in an obvious range. And I would say if it breaks above here and closes above here, or maybe if it comes down underneath here. But no, in this case, you could really only say if it comes back above here, then and closes above there, then you want to get in. So let me write this out. If TradingView wants to actually work for me. So if it closes above here, you can look to long a retest of the SR flip. It's basically what I would be looking at for Sonic, because I mean it hasn't done too much. I mean it's just basically been in this range. A lot of other things are down, but like this is okay. So I'm gonna put this here, and I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to add this alert right here. Sonic, if it closes above the line, can look too long. And I'll also put one down here. I'll say Sonic reaching support. Okay, so that was Sonic. Now we can go and we could try for something else. So we have IP. This IP. Click on that. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this. I'm just gonna do this for 1 hour. It's just literally me working, doing boring stuff, you know? It's like none of this is exciting, but that's usually how you make money, you know? Just doing boring stuff. All right. So this is story. So see what it is about. I know Gabby told me about it. IP is the world's largest asset class and one that AI can't exist without. Story lets you take control over your IP and earn wherever it is used. Very interesting. Hmm. The world's IP blockchain transforms intelligence into programmable IP assets. Trade IP in a global market for AI training and remixing, on ramp real world IP for DeFi use cases, trade, tokenize, fractionalize, and monetize IP on chain. I feel like I've seen this before. Just as Bitcoin emerged in the financial crisis, Story addresses AI's Napster moment head on. IP is the scarce and invaluable asset of today's intelligence economy. Story is a purpose built layer 1 blockchain that tokenizes intellectual property into programmable store of value in an AI driven world. Okay, so it's a layer 1. So basically, um, I need to go here and I could add this to my watch list, L1s and L2s. And I mean, look at this chart. It's brand new, but it's in a nice uptrend. That's what we want to see, higher highs and higher lows. So this is one that I would want to just continue to ride this trend. So you could see the RSI is way oversold and sorry, way overbought. MACD is insane. Um, and it has what's looking like a bearish divergence forming. So I would want to get it, but like I would definitely wait. I think it'll come down to this line to the support, previous support, pretty much 3 times. Maybe do that. Yeah, I mean, you know, close enough, right? So what I'll do is put something on here and I'll just say you know, check it if it comes down. Also, let me see. Copy link. P. So check IP for possible long. Yo, Gabby, what's good, bro? Yeah, 5.31K. I think I only had like 5.2 5,200 something not too long ago. So that's like over 100 subscribers. It's really good. Pretty stoked, pretty stoked. And I got a bunch of really good videos coming up. So it's going to be good. All right, let's see what else we got going on here. We got IP. And oh wait, I could also, you know, you could say this is a pretty, pretty big resistance. So this is probably going to be a good support if it comes down here. So yeah, I can't break my rules and buy anything when it's up, after a green candle. I always wait for a retrace unless is a news event or something, and like I just buy it with like a stop loss like 1% or 2% underneath. But for this one, I don't, just don't know. But yeah, we got story. Um wasn't this the one that was on the someone's balance sheet, like a big fund bought it or something? It should say that on here, right? Where does it say that? Uh, I'm looking for it. Hmm. Maybe if I read some of this, I could find out. Hmm. Oh, wait. Let me go back to here and just double check some stuff. 'Cause I'm pretty sure that this was just listed. Okay, so yeah, this was just listed on a bunch of exchanges. And it's listed on Coinbase. Damn. Okay, so this is definitely what I want, but I just, it's like, how are you supposed to get it? Um, at a good price, really. This is the best. This is the best I could do. All right, so Aptos, of course. Oh my God, are you serious now? Hold on a second. Hmm. So yeah, it's in a downtrend on the 15-minute now. So um, it looks like it's forming a bull flag, right? We'll see. We'll see what happens with it. Aptos is pumping right now because people on Twitter are shilling it, uh, and it's looking good, right? I think that's what they're saying. So All right, so let me share this, and this is Aptos. Yeah, so we got Aptos here. It's insane. I mean, honestly, it's been a great fucking coin to be trading if you were to have been trading it. Just constantly buying, selling, buying, selling. And I mean, you can't really deny the fact that this is the support of Aptos. Like, it's been there, it's been the support. So if you're going to buy Aptos, you should probably buy it down in this area. And then if you're going to sell it, you know, up here is where you want to sell. Honestly, I feel like if Aptos does come back down here, it would be a good buy. Just the fact that it's like, this is it, like so many times before. So yeah, might as well throw an alert on there for the VIP. Let them know, like, hey guys, this is in a good zone. Aptos at major support. I'll also put a load up here, and I'll say Aptos at major resistance. All right, what else we got? Tau. Oh wait, I forgot. I should look at Aptos against Bitcoin, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. See, that is why you look at it against Bitcoin, you know? Yeah, I couldn't find the other chart. Let me know what chart is the good one, or the one with the most history. Grayscale chart. Okay, thanks. Appreciate that. Okay, so yeah, Aptos against Bitcoin. This is why no one has been buying Aptos. Aptos is such a crap. I don't even think I would want to buy it, to be honest. It's so stupid. Like, you could have just bought Bitcoin and chilled and like done way better. So yeah, see what I'm saying here? Like, why you have to check the Bitcoin chart also. And I totally forgot. That's like what I need to do. So it's like, yeah, I probably honestly, I don't even really want to touch Aptos unless it comes back above here. Yeah, I don't care how good it looks, man. Like, so I'll say if it can reclaim this, then you can long it. Copy. Okay. Copy link. Add an alert. Aptos hitting major resistance. If it flips, can long. Probably not going to flip though. Really don't think that's going to do that. All right. So hold on a second. Get this out of here. Okay. And then, of course, gotta check out Tau. That it sure story protocol sure looks good on the chart. Sure looks amazing. Okay, so yeah, Tau had a nice break. Yeah, this is one that I want to have, like, I want to hold it. So I was waiting until things came back down. I was always thinking that like everything was going to come back down to below the wicks that happened on February 3rd right here, but obviously not, and now it's in a clear uptrend. So sort of just got to do that. Like, I mean, I think if it comes back down into this area, like this, and like anywhere under 400, like 399 to 380, 375, so like that's all a really good, it's a really good buy. Yeah, for sure. But of course, definitely need to check the Bitcoin chart, you know. So let's do that. Copy link. Set an alert. I'll say Tau broke above resistance. Good spot to buy. All right, create. So in case it comes back down here, this is, yeah, definitely want to get it. But also now let's check out Tau against Bitcoin, because that's a big one. So it's down. I might have a better chart for against BTC. I do. So wow. Yeah, it's pretty good against BTC as well. Obviously, I would want to, be selling. So hold on a second. This is Tau USD. Oh, this is Tau against USD still. I thought this was Tau against BTC. 1 second. Yeah, this one does sort of make me want to wait. How about this one? So obviously in a good area of accumulation for Tau. This is where it bounced off last time. Still. What's up, East West Crypto? I don't think the bull market is over, but there are a lot of signs. Like there's definitely signs that it is, but I still think that Bitcoin another leg up. I think good alts will have legs up. That's sort of what I'm doing right now. Is like I'm looking at the coins that have outperformed over the last 7 days ish, 7 days, and I'm trying to see because like the market has been pretty bad the last 7 days. In fact, I wonder if I should do 30 days. Mm, yeah, no, really, I don't see anything. Maybe Mantle, MNT. Let me finish doing Tau, and then I'll do MNT. So, like maybe Tau will end up doing something, like that. I don't know. Who knows? No one knows. I'll say Tau at major support against BTC. And I'll say definitely need to have a resistance on here. Tau hitting major resistance, sell. Definitely. And then the other one was MNT, I think. So this one did really well over the last 30 days. Yeah, crazy how well it's been doing. So it's probably one that I would want to check out. Although on the third, yeah, that had a ridiculous what a crazy candle that is. Tough one, man, because it's like it's like what's going on right now. I would say this is pretty much the level. It's hard to argue with it, Yeah, I mean this is where this is the support. So I do think that we will see a bounce if it comes back down. If it comes back down here, and then you target the highs. So could look for longs, and what I'll do is this right here. Plume and BTC pair. Okay. So MNT USDT. So let me copy link. I am getting tired. So this is what is this? MNT. MNT for longs here. And I'll say MNT. Hitting resistance, sell, sell slash look for shorts. Cool, cool. And then this is MNT against BTC. So basically down and to the right, sideways, down, a lot of nothing to really scream home about, you know? I don't know how both of these charts, same thing. I guess, yeah, I guess so. But okay. Let me go back to this one. Weird. This looks like the line in the sand, and then this is the bottom. So I will say if it comes back down to here, then could potentially long it. So I'll say that, right? All right, Plume. Let's go over there. Wow. Yeah, Plume. Looking crazy. Let's look it up. So it's relatively new. It just came out on the 22nd of last month. Tokenize real-world assets, distribute them globally, and make them useful for native crypto users. I wonder what this is. What is all this stuff? Uh, hmm. Private credit, Paxos infrastructure, Nest for yield, layer 0 for infrastructure. What? Yeah, this is it's definitely a big crypto for sure. How does this have 1 million followers? Oh, it's backed by Galaxy. That's pretty good. Okay, so you could look at this. Yeah, million, Galaxy, all of these things. I don't like whatever. It's not that big a deal. What? What is this? Our chief goon attended. I'm sorry, what? What the hell? Oh, that's a good picture. Um, that's cool. I don't like how this is like, why is this on the right? Everything's on the right side. Like, why isn't this centered? Sort of annoying. If Plume is tokenizing over $1 billion in real world assets, solar farms, Medicaid claims, and mineral rights, Plume Network plans to have about $1.25 billion of real world asset tokenization by the fourth quarter. Token holders will be able to earn a yield on different assets, including mineral rights. Earn a yield on Medicare claim? What? I mean, this is pretty crazy. It's pretty cool. This is what crypto is like. One thing that crypto could do, like it could do this stuff that everything else is like it's just not available. It's not able to do this, you know. So now I do like the fact that it's, you know, an actual thing that's useful and real, and it's part of the world, and it's something that could, you know, be an actual thing. That's what I appreciate. I appreciate it, you know. And it's a real world asset. So let me add Plume. When you say which coin is good, like, do you mean like what exactly good, like long term good, like long and fundamentally and stuff, or good as in like technically right now? Because I don't know, I actually don't know everything. Oh, Ondo, I know Ondo is another good one. I do know that. Let's take a look at some of these things. Oh wait, hold up. H bar. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy. Um, but do I not have H bar, just the regular H bar on here? Like H bar actually. Um, why is H bar in L1? It's I mean it is L1, but like I guess it should also obviously be in real world asset. So I should add that here. Ah, man, I really think it's gonna hit here. H bar. I wonder what this was. Give me 1 second. Just looking this up real quick. Seeing what I drew out before on the chart. Well, I wasn't totally wrong. Anyway, let me go back. Exit, quit. Okay, here we go. So man, to buy it now or to wait. I like this. It actually doesn't look bad. What is it against Bitcoin right now? It looks the same. Looks exactly the same. Sort of crazy. Sure. You could let me know your Foxy thesis. I don't think I'm gonna buy any, but I don't know. Like, I think Foxy's a meme, right? Ondo. Let's check out Ondo. Ondo is still doing super, super well. It's crazy how well Ondo has been. Crazy how well Ondo has been holding up. It's crazy how all of these freaking things hit my targets. Okay, yeah, like I would rather buy it. Like I would rather buy it down here than where it is. Like I want to just wait. Like I can't really buy it now because like I only want to buy in like the bottom area or the top area. Like those are the only two areas where I want to be buying. But I will obviously put alerts in right now. So I don't know. I'll say Ondo. Ooh, is it the same exact thing as MetaMask? So Foxy is a chain, or it's built on a chain created by the people. What's the chain? Is this not crazy? Ohm. It's 2024. It's been in a constant uptrend. It's up 7,000 freaking percent. What the hell? What the hell? Why don't I own any of this? Why don't I own any Ohm? All right, let's go back to go back to the plot. All right. Cass. Maybe Caspa is doing something. Hey, look, Caspa had a nice bounce back, fell back down to the support, and now it's having a good reaction from there. Actually, Caspa might be one to buy. Yeah, I think it is. Well, how about what does Caspa look like against Bitcoin? Had a really, really good run on 2023 against BTC. Came down to the golden ratio, then popped back up, and then, it's been going down since. But I don't like this very much. It's a tough call on Cass, to be honest. Because it's like, why not just get Bitcoin? I mean, it's in a downtrend on the weekly, it's in a downtrend on the daily. Sort of needs to pump up above here against Bitcoin in order to buy it. Otherwise, yeah, this is a pretty big resistance right now. Yeah, it's huge resistance, actually. So I'll say if Cass can jump above here, it's a good buy. Cool. Copy link. Yeah, but here's the thing. I don't care about Linea. I don't care about Linea. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Man, I forgot to press the button for the chart. My bad. I was literally just on this chart for the entire time. I'm so dumb. What I need is a what do you call it? I need like something that automatically switches tabs for me, like so that it never, what do you call it? So that I never mess that up and it's always showing the charts. Maybe I'll just keep it on the charts. But this is what I was saying for Caspa. It has this, big support, big resistance, and so it looks really good. But also like against Bitcoin, it looks really bad. So if it pops up above here against Bitcoin, then I think it would be good to buy. It's like, what could be good? That's what I have to think about. Like, Plume looked cool. I like Plume as a fundamental something fundamental, long term. It looks great. I like the idea, and it's got funding by Galaxy, so I wonder why my camera is so slow, you know? I don't think it was like this before. Pretty sure it was fast. Maybe I should plug maybe I'll plug my thing in next time and I'll see if that makes it faster. But okay, so another big one was Barachain. It was this. I feel like this is just a fucking scam. Like, I don't know. I don't really trust this. What? It's on Coinbase? Like, we have this right here is the last 7 days. It's up. What do you mean art is a $18 trillion asset? Art? I don't think art is an $18 trillion asset, but it is an asset that a lot of people buy, a lot of rich people buy. What the fuck? So this doesn't move? I don't know what they're it's up 30 this is up 30%. Why does it look like I don't know why it yeah, this is 5 why does this look like this? What is this? Let's see what this looks like over here. Waiting for it to load. Here we go. That's cool. I like it. I like that website. Up only. This is funny. An EVM identical L1 aligning security, liquidity powered by the proof of liquidity. So it's an L1. I just feel like this isn't gonna pop off like Solana did, you know? Maybe I'm wrong. And it will. I don't know. Let's I don't know. I don't like it. Sorry. I think I don't know. It's way too niche. Way, 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 way too niche, in my opinion. I feel like that's going way too low, way too down in the categories of things that you could get, you know. Let's go back to the charts. Man, I want things to just like turn around right now and just like go up, but like it just doesn't look good. Like it just doesn't look good at all. It looks really bad. Everything looks so bad. And this is supposed to be me looking at the shit that's doing fucking good, right? You know? Let's go back to this. Hmm. Honestly, probably look at Trump coin. Never mind. I mean, you know, it's an okay formation. Maybe it bottomed. Pero ver. I am getting tired. Man, yeah, like basically, I'm trying to. There's not I don't know. There's no like narratives, and maybe the RWA is the next narrative. And I'm trying to look at the like the coins that like have done good last week or the um last 30 days or something like that, and then get into them like because I would think that the coins that have done really well are going to continue to do really well. So here's one. Here's one. Tell Tell coin. So I guess if Telcoin back comes back down, and I mean it's like for telephone service, like it did go up 41,000% in 2021. So maybe it's crazy because it's like 2 months in 2 months, you either would have got 100x or you would have gotten a 7x depending on like when you got it. Damn. I mean, this one seems like something's happening. It's just the fact is it sucks that it's already I mean, it's hard because it's like you unless you know what it's gonna do, you don't know. The only thing that you could do is look at the price to see that it went up, and it's like, that's a good indicator that it's gonna do okay because it's like, yeah, it's up. Um, but by the time it's up, it's like you don't really wanna buy it because it's already up so much, but it's definitely one I would be looking into because everything is down right now, so when everything, like, turns around, like, Tell is probably gonna do pretty well. I don't know why it's not on here, but it is on here. It's on CoinGecko. So, hmm, I don't know, it's something to look into because it's like, why is it up so much when everything is down, right? I'm gonna have wait, guess I could just look at these real quick. I was talking about both. Art trade, I don't want, it's too niche. Barachain, I don't really like it. Okay, so I would like it if the total market cap came back down just a little bit. Um, yeah, maybe what I'll do, I gotta go to bed, because I'm supposed to wake up tomorrow. I don't know if I'm like supposed to or not, but my friend's having his weekly crypto show, and I want to be on it, so I gotta do that. Um, so I'm just gonna wake up early tomorrow and do a bunch of this stuff, and then I'll try to go on his show and then I'll get back. Monad. I'll also take a look at Monad as well, just to see what it's about. But yeah, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go to sleep and hopefully tomorrow spend a whole lot of time in front of the charts and come up with like a good thesis, good game plan. But like the main thing that I'm trying to figure out is like what's going to be the next thesis, what's going to be the next narrative, like what can I get into that's going to give me like those returns, that I want to have, that everyone's looking for. Like same thing what happened with meme coins on Solana. Same thing would happen with like AI agents, like all that other stuff, right? So I don't know. Maybe we'll figure something out tomorrow. But in the meantime, I'm gonna sign out. So I appreciate you watching, everyone who was watching. Obviously, Gabby and East West Crypto. But yeah, I'll go live again next time whenever I'm gonna look at the charts and everything. Yeah. You too. Appreciate it.